I'm recording now.
Wait. Oh wow.
Well, I didn't look at it yet. Did you read it?
What did it say?
That sticker kind of cheated.
Zach kind of already knows.
I don't know. Here.
Why did you look at it again?
Because I can't read that fast. I'm not that smart.
Oh, okay. That's good.
So I know.
Hey, Zach, will you go on the other side?
Hey, over here.
You're blocking the whole
my
camera,
correct
Bubby.
This is definitely a, like...
So that's what that says.
This is definitely some sort of, like...
Anime.
Okay, it's either... I don't know. Is it Pringles?
Big jar.
Have you ever seen life-size Pringles?
Never. I don't know. Oh, okay. Cool. This way, I guess. I know what it is now.
All right, McAllister, I'm going to need a little bit of voice changing here just for a couple minutes. I'm going to need you to talk about it.
Alright, talk.
Come on, good night.
Gummy rat.
Come on, bear.
Alright, we have to make a small incision.
So look at the calories and how many servings are in it, Zach. It's on the box. Read the servings.
Wait, can I guess?
Yeah. So the calories for one serving is 120.
Okay, so like his ear has to be like one serving. It has to be like a serving of gummy bear.
Okay.
So I'm gonna guess how many ears would fit inside. I think it'd be 40 ears.
51.
51.
51
And he is
servings.
Probably every serving. I'm gonna guess he was like 220 calories.
Zach already said the calories.
I didn't read it.
How many calories?
I don't listen.
You didn't have to read, buddy.
Hold the girthy boy. I'm gonna drop him in your hand.
Oh, are you taking the total calories?
Alright.
So 51 times,
120 times 51?
yeah.
Are we opening it up? 6,100 calories?
6,100. Dude, you could live off this for a couple days.
6,100 calories.
I think you can live off this for 2 days. Then the third day you're gonna just die of it, like
Of diabetes.
the diabetes.
He's always so dramatic about this stuff.
It smells like cough medicine.
Really? Ooh, I want to whiff.
Nah, I don't like it.
Woo!
They give you a chill.
That's good. That's good.
Big whiff.
All right, well, we're all going to have to take a bite.
We need to get him out of there.
It's so slimy.
Is it? Oh, kind of like the gummy rats. Remember how they were like coated so that they like slid easier?
We have like a napkin we can put them on.
He'll get stuck to anything he gets put on.
That's actually a good point. Be careful.
That is the issue. So we want to get him out and then
And put them on top of the bag. That's been handled by a lot of... Wait, show me the floppiness. Oh, don't break it, don't break it! He can't support all that weight on his head.
Oh my god, guys.
Well,
you get to enjoy that with me.
this is what it looks like.
I like Frost.
Does he have a belly button? He has a belly button.
Zach, cut off your piece, brother.
I'm trying to...
What?
I'm gonna get one of the clean. Oh, it's more firm than I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he actually isn't as...
No, man.
I think that's the oil that keeps him from sticking to stuff. They
Yeah,
put
it
oil
is.
on
Totally,
him.
totally. No, it helps it slide down your gullet. Helps it slide down your gullet better. Zach's getting a brand new knife that might have
Dude, I think he needs
tetanus.
mouth to mouth. You get him.
I probably should have gotten a knife from the kitchen, but... Oh, man. We have a box cutter.
Take an ear off and then pass the ear around. That's what I think we should do.
No. We each get our own piece.
I'm not able to eat.
Zach,
I'm
you
gonna
take
pull-
a whole ear, brother.
That's the most nerve-wracking.
The box cutter's not doing it, man.
I think you just need your teeth.
You remember when you were trying to cut the gummy rat and this happened? Like, it was like rolling.
Do I need to get a new knife? Like an actual knife? Just rip it.
That is a knife, buddy.
Just use your... Oh.
Oh, God.
I don't know how else to do it. He literally just said rip it.
That's not what he meant, dude.
Use the katana.
He meant cut the cheese.
Oh, wow. Didn't even go in.
Dude, it's like ballistics gel. It just heals
I
itself.
seriously don't know.
Can we shoot it and see what happens?
It'd probably stop at 22.
You think so?
I'm confident there's somebody shooting one of these out there already. I don't know how to get this ear off, brother. I'm trying my best.
Here, let me at it. Use your teeth.
You have to get your... I think we do is just take a bite out of the gun.
Yeah, that's actually not... I mean, we could... Look, we got
There's
legs,
definitely different
ears.
spots.
Zach, just take a bite out of
Okay,
it.
take a bite. Pick a spot. take a bite.
You're mangling it,
taking
dude.
this ear.
I know,
The whole ear.
Oh, God.
Oh, that was a quarter of an ear. I like how much it stretches.
So, Bob. I don't want to.
You're up next, brother.
It tastes so bad.
What are you going to go for?
I don't like gummy stuff.
You really can't go for an ear now, so you got to take a
I
foot.
can go for an ear. You think I'm not gay? I'll eat an ear.
It's on camera.
I'm sorry.
McAllister is... What did Matt do to its other ear? It went flaccid.
Eat his foot.
Oh, God.
Is this our morning ritual? A bite of the gummy bear a day keeps the doctor away?
Okay.
Pretty good, actually.
I've not had gummies in a long time because I div gummy really hurts my stomach. I don't
Really?
like it.
I love gummy stuff.
Well, no, Jello and that I just find gross.
McAllister, I know you want to stab it.
No, I don't.
I do know what you want to do, though.
Oh!
I'll let you.
Ooh,
But do it in like a spot that people can still like. Do it in the butt.
Oh, give him a butthole.
Yeah. What if it caught and started spinning? Is it still out on YouTube? Oh god, it's melting. You're melting it. Okay, you have to lick the liquid that's coming out because it's oozing.
No.
It's oozing, McAllister. Okay, now you have to bandage it. You have to cauterize it. Well, I guess we need to do an outro now, guys.
You know, I'd eat whatever this is. Like, this was the thing that we sold, the melted kind of like taffy-like.
He pointed the butthole and said, "I eat whatever this is." I can tell you what that is, brother.
Oh my god, why?
Yeah, it's like I didn't think you were gonna just not stop. Okay. Oh.
No, don't go up to the bit. I was not that dumb.
Is it gelatinous? Okay. Well.
Now eat off the fork.
So what do we rate this product, guys?
For the comedy factor,
I would never buy
an 8.
No, but what if someone bought it? Well, if someone bought it for you for Christmas,
I would.
what are you gonna do to it when you get home?
Oh, I think what I'm gonna do if I got it for Christmas is.
Oh,
Oh,
just cut his head off.
thanks. I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna give him that number. Just the.
I don't think this is time.
Yeah, this is it. Well,
It's rubbing alcohol.
Toasty Clips may get demonetized from this, but peace out.